Welcome to the TME's questions and answer. Today we're going to answer one of our most frequently asked questions by our customers. How fast will you send my order? We will start the realization of your order as soon as we see your payment on our account. The time it will take depends on the payment method you choose. If you use bank transfer, it may take up to 2 business days until we'll see it. The time required to start the realization of your order is the same whether it's for current orders or for settling delayed payments on outstanding invoices. 2 days? Maybe I will send you payment verification from my bank. We do not accept this form of confirmation. Before we can send your parcel, we need to receive your payment on our bank account and process it. This is an essential step to start the realization process. So, is there any way to speed up the verification of payment? Absolutely. If you want to receive your order as quickly as possible, you can choose one of the available online payment methods on our website, such as PayPal, PayU, or 6 payment services. This significantly speeds up the verification. I have done everything right and my order is still not shipped. Before you contact us, please check if you have accidentally placed an order for products that are not currently in stock at TME. So remember that the time at which you receive your order depends also on the payment method you choose and availability of the products. If you're looking for a swift delivery, consider opting for one of our available online payment methods. This will help us get your order a lot faster. Thank you for tuning in and for placing your trust in TME. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. TME.eu. You need it, we have it.